Well, today is a very symbolic day.
Today, on the surface, is your symbolic groundbreaking ceremony. What it really represents is our opportunity to announce to the local community in a bigger way who we are, and to demonstrate by the fact that there's already activity happening that we are a company of action.
Just 4 short years ago, we were not even fabricating our own buildings. So we were designing, we were engineering, we were providing really all the work that a fabricator does, down to shop drawings, but we've had great partnerships over the years with fabricators, and it worked really well for us, and we still have those partnerships today. Our mission is about the client, and what the client needs from us, we're going to follow.
McGregor has been a really nice surprise for me personally.
Michael and I have been talking about developing something in the US for many years. And it's never been the right place at the right time. And I think instead of finding a place, the place came to us. It was a happy surprise, a happy discovery.
You see how much the city is providing direction for the future of the community.
This is my first time in McGregor, and just the community welcoming, how they are, it's just, you could see this is like everybody is so happy and welcoming.
I am so excited to work with McGregor. As I've met so many different individuals here, I could see the heart of the community.
So one of the things that's really interesting is this factory here in McGregor will be the leading technology facility in our industry.
I've been a part of Allied for 17 years. I've seen the company grow tremendously during that time. There's been a lot of milestones for us. Of course, we opened up our international market in 2009. We're in 72 countries across the world. Of course, we opened up our Spain plant 3 years ago and became fabricators for the first time. So this plant behind me right here in our home country and right here in Texas, next to all of our big clients, is really important. It's the next step that we need to take to help our company grow for our clients.
We continue to evolve, and this is just the beginning for us.
It's our moment to shine and say, here we are, and we're excited about being here, but we're very intentional, very purposed to do what we set out to do, which is to build a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility.
All of that's going to be here in McGregor.
Nothing will be able to stop us.